Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CUBOT P50 to an Android device. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both devices and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. In order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. Now select Send over here on CUBOT and Receive on Android smartphone. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots in all of those categories. And when you're ready, select Send over here. This way you will choose all of your files that you wish to send and send them later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Get It. Now on an Android, click on No Thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can connect those smartphones by scanning this QR code. If you wish to do that, just click on this scanning icon on an Android, choose while using the app only this time and point your camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and then tap on the Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!